What we've developed is a cloud offering which developed actually from an idea that Sony Pictures had, where they could see a need to move very large files around, and they do it all with FedEx and hard drives, and there's a lot of shipping cost. And so it sort of started as a simple, almost a transport issue, and the cloud seemed like a really good way of dealing with that. But what we've done is we've realised that once you put material into the cloud and you're using it to move it around, it offers you opportunities like sharing and collaboration, global teamwork, and also there's opportunities to put applications on top of it like rough cut, like reviewing and approving materials. We expect to integrate the cloud, frankly, with everything that Sony does. Everything in between the whole production chain, from reviewing the content that you shot today, right through to some mastering and finishing tools. We're going right through to archiving, because cloud now is offering sufficiently low-cost methods for keeping long-term archiving in relatively low-cost ways, but that is very, very accessible. So we've actually built our offering on Amazon Web Services, so we've built it on the public cloud, and we've done that very deliberately. When we started, we looked very hard at building our own private cloud, and the levels of security, the sheer scale of Amazon, the ability to really ramp up and down, to work on a very large volume and cope with huge uncertainties in volumes of customer data. We're absolutely convinced that the public cloud is the right thing to do, and we're convinced that their levels of security are beyond anything we could have offered. Because we're offering it as a service, part of the joy of it is people don't need to make big capital plans anymore. They can just buy as much as they need, and they can extend it and decrease it depending on what's going on. If it's the Olympics or a big election, they ramp up their storage and their capacity, and then they bring it back down again. Price-wise, you can try it for free, and you just get a sort of basic package, but you can try the kind of the sharing capability, the collaboration, and some of the tools like rough cut and video approve, things like that. But for the professional packages, they start at €19 a month. And the point is, you don't have to sign a 5-year contract. You can do it for 3 months if that's the scale of your production, and then stop.